Welcome to the enchanting Santa Caterina dello Ionio, a hidden gem nestled along the breathtaking coastline of Calabria. Imagine soft golden sands kissing the azure waves, where every sunset paints the sky with hues of pink and orange, inviting you to unwind and soak in the beauty of nature. As you stroll through the charming streets of this authentic village, you'll discover ancient architecture that whispers stories of the past. The cobblestone paths lead you to quaint cafes, where the aroma of freshly brewed espresso dances in the air, beckoning you to take a seat and indulge in a slice of homemade tiramisu. Don't miss the chance to explore the stunning beaches, where crystal clear waters offer a perfect playground for swimming, snorkeling, or simply basking in the sun. And if you're feeling adventurous, venture into the surrounding hills, where hiking trails reveal panoramic views of the Ionian Sea and lush landscapes that will leave you breathless. Santa Caterina dello Ionio is not just a destination. It's an experience that lingers in your heart long after you've left. So pack your bags and let the magic of Calabria sweep you off your feet.